So how did it go? Were you able to do it? Well, let me just show you my solution. So we are creating an entity and relationship for book author. So I'm just gonna copy everything here, and I'm going to just paste it down here. And like I said, we don't want book category anymore, we want book author. That is going to be our entity. So one of the IDs we want is the book ID, and the other one will be the author ID. But since we have book author, starts with B and A, I'll use BA for the lambda expression to be more descriptive. So we have book ID, and we want the author ID. So I'm just gonna copy book author here and put it into these two entities for the relationship. And we can start with the author, so I'll just use A instead of B, and we will have one author with many of the book author. So book authors. And the foreign key for the author will be, of course, author ID. But again, I'm going to use A for author. Now this is really not needed. You can just use X and Y, for example. I just like to match the first letter of the actual lambda expression that I'm using. So in author, I will use A. And the second one, we will do from the book. So B. So this one is gonna be B.book. And the book authors have many book authors, with foreign key being the book ID. And that's it. We have the book category. For the mother builder, we have the book author, and we establish the keys as well as the relationships for both.